Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a file in a GitHub repository. We will cover both the web interface method and the command line approach, ensuring you can confidently manage your project files. Deleting files is a common task, and knowing the proper steps prevents accidental data loss. We will guide you through each process carefully, highlighting important considerations. By the end, you will understand how to safely remove unwanted files from your projects. You have two main ways to delete files from your GitHub repository. The first involves using the familiar GitHub web interface, which is very user-friendly and great for single file deletions. The second method uses the command line, offering powerful tools for developers who prefer working with Git commands. Both approaches integrate seamlessly with your repository's version control, ensuring all changes are tracked. Choose the method that best fits your current task and technical comfort. To delete a file using the web interface, begin by navigating to your repository on GitHub. Locate the specific file you want to remove and click on its name to open it. Look for the small trash can icon, typically found near the file's header, and click it. GitHub will then prompt you to confirm the deletion and provide a concise commit message. After entering your message, click Commit Changes to finalize the removal. For command line deletion, open your terminal and change directories into your local Git repository. Use the command git rm followed by the exact path and name of the file you intend to delete. This command stages the file for removal. Next, commit this change using git commit m, your commit message here to record the deletion in your local history. Finally, push these changes to your remote GitHub repository with git push origin your branch name.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.